In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlink in Adobe Acrobat 2026. Create hyperlink on PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any text or area in a PDF into a clickable link that opens a web page, and you'll understand a few small details that make the process smooth and reliable. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro and load the PDF you want to edit. Go to File, then Open, and select your PDF. If your file is already open, you're good to go. A quick note, make sure you're working in Acrobat Pro since the link editing feature's live there. Next, open the editing workspace. Click Tools, then choose Edit PDF. This switches Acrobat into edit mode and reveals the editing toolbar you'll need for adding links. If you don't immediately see the toolbars, wait a moment for the interface to load. Larger PDFs can take a second. Now add the link itself. In the Edit PDF toolbar, click the Link tool, the one with the chain icon, and choose Add or Edit Web or Document Link. Your cursor will change to a crosshair. Click and drag to draw a rectangle around the text or area you want to make clickable. Take your time here. The box you draw is the exact clickable region. If you need precision, zoom in before you draw. You can also adjust the rectangle by dragging its corners if it isn't perfectly aligned after the first try. With the region selected, set what happens when someone clicks it. In the dialog that appears, choose Open a web page, then click Next. Paste the full URL you want to open, for example, https://example.com. Be sure to include the HTTPS or HTTP at the start of the address so Acrobat recognizes it as a valid link. Double check for stray spaces or typos, then click OK. Your hyperlink is now active. When viewed normally, the cursor will change over that area, and depending on your settings, the link area may highlight on hover. Finally, save your changes so the link is embedded in the file. Go to File, then Save. If you want to keep an untouched original, consider using Save As to create a new copy, but the important part is to save your work so the link isn't lost. That's it. You opened your PDF, entered edit mode, drew a link area, set it to open a web page, and saved the file. If you want extra confidence, open the Save PDF and click the linked area to confirm it goes to the correct page. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating clean, reliable hyperlinks in your PDFs.